Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to create a beautiful animated button effect using only HTML and CSS. This will be a hover effect where the background color changes smoothly with a really nice animation. Let's start with the HTML part. I've already created a basic structure with the doc-type HTML declaration and the usual HTML head and body tags. Now, inside the body, I've kept things super simple. We just have a single button with the text, "Click Me." Now let's move on to the CSS. The first thing I did was apply a universal reset using the star selector. This removes default margin and padding and sets box sizing border box for consistent layouts. Next, I styled the body. I gave it a black background color, set the height to 100 VH so it covers the entire screen, and then used Flexbox to center the button both vertically and horizontally. This way, no matter what screen size we're on, the button will always stay perfectly centered. Now let's look at the button itself. I gave it some padding, a border radius of 10 pixels to make the corners smooth, and a 1.5 pixel solid border with a bluish color. The text color is set to white. And the background color is bright red. I also set the cursor to pointer, so when the user hovers, it feels clickable. One important detail here is that I set position relative and overflow hidden. This is needed because we're going to use a pseudo-element for the hover effect. Now comes the interesting part, the hover effect. I used the button : before pseudo-element. This is basically like creating an extra layer inside the button without adding any extra HTML. I positioned it absolutely. Gave it a width and height of 100%. And set its background color to a dark gray. With transform origin left. Then I use transform scaleX 1 element cover the whole button by default. When we hover over the button, the magic happens. The transform origin changes to the right side. And the scale shrinks down to 0. This creates a smooth wipeout effect, revealing the red background underneath. And because we added transition :0.5's ease, the animation looks really smooth and professional. We just built a cool animated button using only HTML and CSS. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more web development tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite CSS trick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.